So we're recording now. I'm going to spotlight the iPad so that you can see what that is recording. To do so, I will look at the sort of the icon for the iPad video, and I will click on the three dots in the top right corner. Once there, I have the option to spotlight video. So I'll click that. And now you should be seeing a green piece of paper with a smiley face on it.
Yep.
This is the iPad video. Let's see here. Ryan, any questions about that?
Nope, everything looks good.
Okay. And can you hear me okay?
I can, yes.
Great. All right, so the next thing, I'm going to stop spotlighting the iPad by going to those same three dots in the top right corner, and I will select cancel the spotlight video. Next, I'm going to try sharing my screen. I want you to watch a TED Talk that I think is pretty great, and I have a slideshow to show you. So I'll go down to the bottom of my Zoom window and click on Share Screen. A menu will pop up with a couple different options of what I can share. Since I have a Google Chrome window open, that's the one I will select. I'll just click on it, and then there's a blue Share button down on the bottom right. Now, are you seeing my TED Talk video?
I am, yes.
All right, I'm going to play it. One of the things we noticed is that the best way to get the audio to work is to just remind anyone in the classroom that they need to be quiet because the audio is picking up the classroom and the video at the same time.
We're particularly interested in other people's body language. You know, we're interested in, like, you know, an awkward interaction or a smile or a contemptuous glance or maybe a very awkward wink.
All right. Were you able to hear that okay?
Yeah, that came out great.
Okay. Let's see here. I noticed that in this room, it feels almost too loud, but I think that for you to get the best audio quality, it needs to be louder than I might think it needs to be.
Yeah, I mean, it was a little loud out here. So I would say do what's comfortable for your classroom because the off-campus person can always, you know, increase the audio on their computer.
Okay. I have switched over to another tab to my slideshow, which is called Test All the Things. I only have one slide, so hopefully you can see this, but this would be an example of how I can transition between tabs. And I think that's all I have to share with you. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And let's say at this point in my lesson, I wanted to spotlight my iPad again. I could easily do so by going back to the three dots in the top right corner, selecting Spotlight Video, and there we go. Last thing was, can you still hear me when I'm over in the corner?
I can, yes.
Can you hear me better when I'm using more of a teacher voice and projecting more?
Absolutely.
Great. All right, I think that's all we needed to show you with the videos. I have on my desktop a folder where my Zoom video will automatically go when I've canceled this meeting. I will end the meeting for everyone and then it will automatically download there. My backup and sync will be set to automatically upload anything in that folder right to my Google Drive. So when I have time, all I need to do is copy a link from my Google Drive over to my Google Classroom. And I believe that's everything.
Sounds great.